Hi, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic on nanofibers, the properties of nanofibers, and finally, applications of nanofibers. In this PPT, we are going to discuss about introduction to nanofibers, properties of nanofibers, what are the techniques utilized for the production of nanofibers, and finally, applications. What is nanofibers? Nanofibers are defined as the fibers having diameters possess less than 100 nano 100 nanometer. Uh, the fibers which possess larger than 100 nanometer is called as microfibers. For example, the human hair is considered as a microfiber because it possesses diameter of uh, about 80,000 nanometer. So it is considered as a microfiber. Um, Nanofibers are widely used in the many applications nowadays because of their very small size. Because of very small size, they possess unique physical and chemical properties. Further, nanofibers possess high surface to area volume. Especially in biomedical field, the surface area to volume will helps in the cell adhesion proliferation, which favors the new tissue growth. Next, we will see about the production of nanofibers. Nanofibers are produced using many techniques such as melt processing, interfacial polymerization, and electrospinning. Apart from this technique, anti-solvent induced polymer precipitation and electrostatic spinning, carbon nanofibers are produced by the catalytic synthesis. First, we will see about the melt processing. Melt processing can be made by melting the polymers and spinning or shooting them through very small holes. As the fiber spins out, it stretches smaller and smaller. The corresponding diagram was shown in the figure. In the melt processing, there was two die. One is upper die and lower die. Inside the die, the polymer feed was sent to it, and the die helps in the crushing of the polymer feed. And after the polymer stresses, uh, the hot air was passed to the polymer feed, and the hot air helps in the conversion of the polymer into nanofibers. And finally, the cooling air was passed to the fiber and finally deposited on the collected drum. Next, electrospinning process is similar to the melt blown technology. In melt blown technology, the hot air was used to convert the polymer melt into nanofibers. However, in the electrospinning process, the electric field was utilized to convert the polymer melt into nanofibers. Um, the corresponding diagram was shown here. It contains three units, namely high voltage unit, syringe pump, which gives the volume unit, and finally collector drum was used to collect the attained nanofibers. The polymer solution was loaded in the needle. The needle was connected to the applied voltage. Initially, when the small voltage was given, a small bubble of polymer was ejected. When the voltage was increased behind the threshold, the polymer melt was converted to nanofibers and finally deposited on the collector drum. Uh, next, we will see about the next we will see about the application of nanofibers. The nanofibers are widely used in the nanocomposites, filter application, gas barrier film, transport sheet, and finally cosmetic. The nanofibers was in biomedical applications. Nanofibers widely used in the drug delivery system. In drug delivery system, the nanofibers can ability to load the additives. The additives will help in the action of drug delivery system. Further, it was also used in the wound dressing applications. In wound dressing applications, the nanofibers helps in the cell adhesion proliferation, which favors the new tissue growth. The corresponding diagram shows the nanofibers utilized in the filtration in the protective clothing. In this figure, the nanofibers are used to produce the orthopedic and neural implants. The diagram shows the nanofibers used in the application of cosmetic applications. Thank you.